You all good?
Yeah, I've never been here before, so I don't know.
They're all good. They all circle back to the end.
Yeah. Well, I rode some of the stuff up here with the...
Yeah, it's all going to stack up on the same loops. So right here is more fun, but they're going to end up in the same place anyway. Yeah.
I'm going to go this way. This is more difficult, right? They said this was a little more fun. Oh, yeah. Ooh, a few drops. Easy drops, I think. Wow! They come out of nowhere. Okay, that's why that's a black diamond. Right there. Oh, that and it's pretty tight. I might actually circle back and do Platte again and then do that other part of Platte, because I didn't do the other part of Platte. Oh, yeah. Okay. I think, oh, yeah, this is where this is. Oh, freaking biscuits. Ah. Not quite.
Well, here we are at part 3 of West Lake MARION, I think it is. And I'm just going to run through the videos that I have left, some of the stuff I rode, some of the other trails, as well as goofy features like that one there that I just messed up on.
I think. Yeah, right here. Oh, I cleared all 3 of them that time. Oh, yeah. That's pretty sweet. And I think I took a right back there last time. So this is new. Those jumps are fun. They're scary though, because you're flying. You're flying downhill. And if you haven't done them before, I've only done them twice, like me, you don't know what's gonna happen. All right, so I'm on the trail above Platte now. And there are like little jumps everywhere in here. It'll take you probably 4 or 5 times to go through this. Learn what you need to learn. I'm having fun though. I have enough gas in me to go back to my homeland trails. Theodore Worth. Yes, Theodore Worth, that's where I grew up. Or mountain biking, I guess. I'm very excited to go back there because I went there this spring and never posted. I don't think I ever posted the videos. I don't know. There's a few that I haven't done. Oh, jumps. Nice. I was not expecting those. They're pretty they're more rollers than jumps. Cougar Trail. I totally want to do Cougar Trail again. That was pretty awesome. Trailhead parking lot, okay. Now I'm going back to Trailhead. There's a couple black diamonds back that I didn't do. I'm not sure if they're on the map or not. Now I'm going back to I don't know how much of this I filmed, so I'll just keep it rolling. There is yeah, there's a couple of black diamonds I didn't do, for sure. I'm actually back at the parking lot right now. Crap. Well, I'm going to have to do it again then, because I'm going to have to do, I'm not sure what I'm going to do next. I want to get one more black diamond in. Tim's Trail, that's the one I didn't do. This feels like a green. I'm hoping there'll be something on it that'll make it a little bit better. Definitely getting speed. Careful speed, because nice rollers, nice flowy. So these videos might be really long because there's actually a lot here in a very small area. Don't tell that to the elderly people. Oh, there's the log thing that I missed. No trespassing. Boy, they built these trails right on the edge other property. This might end up being really fun. I don't know what to expect. Yeah, that's what I figured. Take that turn at a little more speed. Okay. Oh, rocks. Ooh, rocks, rocks, rocks. Oh, yeah. Now I'm headed back to the car, unfortunately. I'll look at the map and see if I want to do another loop. I kind of doubt it. All right. I'm at the top of this little hill. This is kind of a off shot that I don't think is official. I don't know what to expect here. It's very tight. Tight and fun and wow. I'm gonna like murder myself. Wow. Is this an official trail? I don't know. It's fun though. I like it. This is the unofficial. Oh my gosh. I'm still riding this. Woo! Oh, that's where you get your speed. Oh, see, I missed that again. I tightened it way down. This is tradition. I'm still at Lakeville. I did not do this one. I do not know what it is. It's Black Diamond. So, it's supposed to be really twisty. So far. Yeah, that's what I thought. Jumps. Wow. Oh yeah. Oh yeah, it didn't get bucked around for sure. I think Cougar is my favorite so far. I'm going to go back and do those jumps again for the third time, more than likely. Feature ahead. What is the feature? This is not a feature. They must be thinking there's a feature. Oh, this is super fun. This is super fun. It's basically going all downhill. And I lost all my momentum. This is the second best trail here, but it's really loose and rocky. But it is overflow. No, not the, oh, interesting. Oh, okay. Oh, I see. I have to stop because there's glass everywhere. That's a little foundation.